The demand for safe, clean, reliable, renewable power is growing at an ever-increasing rate. Today, PV technology is not only ecologically but also economically a sensible alternative for power generation. For PV projects, the levelized cost of energy, or LCOE, is a metric used to determine the cost of solar energy and a project's long-term profitability. This accounts for capital and operating expenses, as well as the energy produced, and is expressed in cents per kilowatt hour. Optimizing CapEx rather than minimizing it can help minimize OpEx and minimize the overall LCOE. A typical 5-megawatt plant can have 20 blocks with 18 strings per block and 45 modules per string, with a total of 35,000 connectors. Despite the large number, reducing cost on connectors represents minimal potential savings compared to significantly increased risk of lost production and higher OpEx. Staubli offers years of experience and innovative technologies in a range of products that connect more than half of the world's installed PV capacity. Staubli MC4 connectors provide a high-quality connection with proven multi-lam contact technology that ensures consistently high performance and very low loss throughout the service life of the connector. MC4 connectors are rated for up to 1500 volts and accommodate a range of wire sizes. They're IP68 rated when mated, and sealing caps are available for protection when unmated. Staubli also offers assembly tools that ensure proper crimping for easy installation and maintenance. MC4 connectors are complemented by Staubli's MC4 inline fuse. These are terminated with MC4 connectors for simple plug-and-play installation, and they offer minimal energy loss and low heat generation in an IP68 assembly. Staubli products ensure the highest performance, reliability, and safety for PV projects.